In today's video, I will walk you through how to get free coins on CoinMarketCap. To receive rewards on CoinMarketCap, start by accessing your CoinMarketCap account area and locating the CoinMarketCap Diamonds section. Open the Diamonds section to view your current CoinMarketCap Diamonds balance. Each day you check in, you will receive new diamonds for free. Continue checking in daily to collect more diamonds. If you check in for 7 days in a row, you can receive additional rewards of up to 50 diamonds. To view more information about CoinMarketCap Diamonds, open the Diamonds page. Here you can see the Loyalty Rewards section and the available options for using your diamonds. To redeem your diamonds, go to the Diamond Rewards section. Review the available rewards and select the items you want to redeem. The Rewards section includes different options, such as limited edition items, gift cards, NFTs, and other available rewards. Each reward has a different diamond requirement. Select a reward to view its details and check the number of diamonds needed for redemption. You can collect more diamonds by completing available tasks. Open the Task section and select the available activities to earn additional diamonds. For example, choose a task and follow the instructions provided. Completing these tasks will add more diamonds to your account. The more diamonds you collect, the more rewards you can redeem from the Diamond Rewards section. If you want to participate in additional reward opportunities, check the available campaigns on CoinMarketCap. Select the campaign options and complete the required activities. These campaigns allow you to receive rewards from projects available on CoinMarketCap. Use the Diamond section, Diamond Rewards, tasks, and campaigns to collect and redeem rewards available on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.